Before we perform, we want to share with you some important information. We hope you will pass it to others. Our team is called the Advocates. We believe in respect for others and for all living things. Many species have been affected by changes in our climate. For example, birds are dying off from changes in weather due to greenhouse gases. Crops aren't growing from the drought. Here's Dylan.
If we show respect for living things who depend on water, we will work towards moderate use of water during a drought. Some people have learned to harvest rainwater by making a rain barrel. A rain barrel is a barrel that stores the water from your gutters. Here's Skylar.
If you install rain gutters to capture rainwater, here's one thing you may want to know about using a storage container. You can store rain in barrels. You can also plant vine plants in gutters. So when it rains, it will water plants, and dry days you can put up a watering system for the plants. Here's Logan. If you want to reuse your water, you can try a gray water system. A gray water system works by taking water from showers, sinks, etc., then reusing the water to grow plants, wash dishes, etc. Now, Nehemiah.
One or two things you can do to moderate your water use at home is turning off the water when you don't need it, taking shorter showers, and using less water when you brush your teeth. Here's Justice.
Our team is the Visionaries. The way that we solve a disagreement is by deciding on an agreement in which a compromise can be made. Plus, it respects one another's opinions. Here's Rhiannon.
All living things need a moderate climate to survive and thrive. And so we also need to moderate our use of energy. Solar energy helps us do this by providing heat and light. Let me tell you something about solar cookers. For example, by placing your dish in the solar cooker, you can save the environment and eat natural foods. Speaking of food, many daily choices we make involve carbon use. When you go to the grocery store, you may want to look at the labels of the food you buy. When we did this, we discovered in all the food we bought traveled about 13,000 miles in jets, boats, and trucks. Here's Sydney.
To sustain something needs to keep it going on its own, even if it is small. Today, big farms and little farms both feed the world's population. We congratulate those who work hard at sustainable local farming in the following ways: trying to buy locally to support them, which also saves a lot of energy. Here's John.
Wisdom comes from many sources. We are sharing wisdom exchange
Microphone.
with Haiti.
In Haiti. In Haiti, farmers are learning to make sure they can feed their people by terracing. Terracing is when you plant a tree on each side of every row, so that when you plant things on a slope and it rains, the soil does not erode. Here's Daniel.
We have made pictures of the things we find precious in our local neighborhoods. What we find precious, we must protect, because if the earth was polluted, it would kill the plants and animals, and plants and animals are our food resources. And that's it.
Well, MCs. MCs. MC? No?